Be some kind of cover up for Captain Soli, even though it's like twice the altitude. Nope, it was selling the turn. He acted like this tree was what he had to turn away from. You know how tall that tree is? 40 feet. So it's the same plane. What's the probability of him doing the same cover up, pretending that this is a hill twice? That's some of the stuff I'm talking about, but it seems like none of those things matter. But there's so many parts of this where they're like, oh, is that true? Okay, fine. Yeah, the fires and the jumbo jets, that's okay. Next.